guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a handbag unboxing. Not your stereotypical handbags like the ones I've unboxed in the past, but it's something that's, well, a brand that's kind of new to me and maybe new to some of you, but maybe some of you have seen it before. It is by Sinbono. So we'll just get right into this video. Like I said, it is by Sinbono. It is a brand that I came across on Instagram. The packaging looks like this, a marble packaging. It came with these dings though, which is kind of weird. It was shipped through DHL. Everything was pretty smooth during the transaction. I have no complaints, and they were having a sale. So I think original price of this bag is $109. It is vegan leather. It doesn't come with anything in it, and it comes in this cute dust bag with, you know, the silica gels attached. So let's open. Opens nice and wide, and I got the ivory. So it's this bag right here with gold hardware. And if you can see right here, it shows a little shadow. It says Sinbono. Nothing too crazy, and that's big for me right now. So I didn't have like a ivory bag or a white bag or anything like that. As you can see, compared to the wall, it's not very white. So it's like an off-white, ivory of course, but I absolutely love the gold hardware. And when I tell you, like, it doesn't feel cheap, it feels so luxe, like not complaining at all. And it has a very unusual shape, which I like. Easy to unbuckle, and then it's magnetic, but it snaps closed one time. And then it has two zippers. And it opens up into here. What's in here? This is just a micro pack recycle thing. These little chips. It comes with a gold chain, which is really, I wouldn't say heavy, but it's really weighty, given, you know, it's not like luxury per se, like a big time luxury brand, and it has Sinbono engraved on the rings, the clasps. So I think that's really excellent. So of course I got mine for less than $109 because, you know, it was on sale. They were having 25% off. Just regular packaging in the middle. It has a beige microfiber lining, and then the leather pocket here, a slip pocket at the back, which I guess you can just slip card, license, that kind of stuff. Nothing too crazy. The microfiber lining isn't very thick, but yeah. And I think this is an excellent bag. Let's get into some shots of the inside of the bag, and enough of my face. So this is it with the chains on, you know, YouTuber life. If you see just the bottom half, the top half of my body, little shorts on. But it knocks me right at my hip. For reference, I'm only 5'1", so yeah, it's cute or whatever. This is it crossbody. It fits a little better crossbody, but will I wear it crossbody? Probably not. I prefer the look of it just being handheld, and I'm sure you can wear it handheld with a chain. It doesn't look too bad. Cute or whatever. You see, it's not bad, but yeah, it's a cute little bag. It's very cute. The chain is actually really heavy. I don't know. A plus for that. Again, let's just go through here at a little different angle so you can see. And there isn't much in it, as you can see. Nothing's in it, just a slip pocket. It's pretty roomy. Can my phone hold? Let's see. So here's my phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Bang, it fits. It dropped in there like nothing. So I'm pretty sure you can probably get your phone, your wallet, and everything in here. The only thing I don't like is because my phone has on this Apple case. When I was just pulling it out, it held on to the inside microfiber and pulled it up. That may be a problem for me, especially if, you know, you're pulling out important, like a card case or something, it falls and you really don't know. Or my lipstick, which is equally as important. That's the problem. But I think we can just work around that. We can't really beat that price. They seem to have sales often enough. So yeah, let's get into my final thoughts. So my final thoughts on the Sinbono bag. Let me just look over so I make sure that I give you all the information before somebody asks. So their Instagram is Sinbono Official. Well, Sinbono _official on Instagram. And this is the Sinbono Vienna bag. They have different styles of bag, but this is actually my favorite. This actually comes in the ivory, the green, the black, the brown, fluffy type situation and all of that. But I didn't have an ivory bag, so I wanted one. So here we go. Sinbono. My final thoughts on Sinbono. It is very luxe. It is a nice luxury bag for a fraction of the luxury price. I think if you're diving into luxury, especially if you care about the environment and animals and everything, which I do to an extent, and you want to shop vegan leather, I think this is the perfect stepping into this. Except in addition to like Telfar and all of that, I think it's beautifully made. The only thing I don't like is how thin the microfiber lining is, and when I pull out my phone, it tends to come up, so it's not sewn down in the bag. It seems to be stitched beautifully. It holds quite a bit. I cannot get over how heavy this chain is, how luxe it feels, and you can see the type of gold it is. You would have seen in the previous clip where it hits me when I wear it on my shoulder or across the body. So I think it's perfect and short person friendly because I'm only 5'1". So Sinbono, if I don't really believe in having more than one bag in the same style, maybe different colors, but I definitely think that this may be one of my exceptions. I would also make that exception for Telfar. I'll make that exception for certain bags, but I think this is definitely one of them. I'm not sure if I'll go back right away and purchase another one. I actually wanted the green to begin with, but the ivory really caught my eye. I think it's more practical for me and my style. So yeah, Sinbono it is. I highly recommend. I hope all of you are doing well. You're doing great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and everything. Have a good one. Peace.